All right, guys, give you a quick tour. Over here is our porting bench. And this is where we put all our motors together over here. This is my snap-on toolbox. It's got everything you can possibly have in it. This is the machine shop area. This is where all the boring, all the sleeving. This is where we do our crankshafts. This is where we do our head modifications. We do all our fly cutting right here. And in this department is where we do all our shipping and our receiving. These are all the boxes that are going out today. So this crankshaft's going out, and all this is going to New York to one customer. All these boxes that you see here on the floor are boxes that are getting shipped out to different parts of the state. These are cylinders that are done for corporate Kawasaki. And then naturally, I have my drum kit over there that we're gonna unveil and show you that. This is, I play this every day. At the end of the day, we jump on that kit right there. And I have myself a Fender Guitar in here that I just received. Let's see what this baby looks like. Check that out. So I just got this today from Scott. This is a Eric Clapton signature model Fender that I'm going to be playing in here. I can't wait to actually try it today. So this is going to be cool. So we have a little studio set up for our friends that come in and out of here from, say they fly in from Supercross, and we'll all come in here and do a little jam session. Wallenberg, Scott, myself, and that's what we're setting this office up for. That's the main priority here at Boyko Racing. At the end of the day, a little music and keep that social distancing. So this is where it all happens, right here.